Elon Musk regrets funding ChatGPT with $50 million. In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence and tech investments, one name that often stands out is Elon Musk. However, recent rumors have sparked intrigue within the tech community, suggesting that Musk might have some regrets about his substantial $50 million investment in ChatGPT. But what could have possibly transpired to make the visionary entrepreneur second-guess his decision? Join us as we delve into the intriguing story behind Elon Musk's alleged regrets and explore the fascinating world of ChatGPT. If you're interested in the world of technology and the faces of innovation, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tell us what you want to see next. To understand this intriguing story, we must first explore why Elon Musk decided to invest in ChatGPT. Back in the day, Musk's concerns about artificial intelligence and its potential consequences on humanity were no secret. He had been vocal about the need to develop AI safely and even co-founded OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, to ensure responsible AI research. His investment seemed like a logical step towards aligning his goals with the organization's mission. ChatGPT, with its natural language processing capabilities, initially appeared as a promising tool for various applications. It was hailed as a breakthrough in AI, capable of assisting with tasks ranging from content generation to answering user queries. The technology behind ChatGPT held immense potential for revolutionizing industries, from customer service to content creation. So, what could have gone awry? It's essential to note that while ChatGPT was a technological marvel, it wasn't without its challenges. One of the primary concerns that emerged post-investment was the model's propensity to generate biased or inappropriate content. This raised serious ethical questions about the responsible deployment of AI. Elon Musk, being an advocate for AI safety, might have felt uneasy about these ethical dilemmas associated with ChatGPT's widespread use. Additionally, the AI landscape is exceptionally dynamic. New advancements occur at breakneck speed, and competition is fierce. While ChatGPT was a frontrunner when Musk invested, it faced increasing competition from other AI models and companies. Musk, known for his penchant for innovation, may have wondered if his investment would yield the expected returns in such a rapidly evolving field. Another potential factor could be the evolving priorities of Musk's other ventures. His time and resources are spread across a multitude of ambitious projects, from SpaceX to Tesla and beyond. Managing these enterprises requires a great deal of attention and resources, which could have prompted Musk to reassess his involvement with ChatGPT. So, due to various reasons and various factors according to Musk, he lost out on quite a bit of money, along with an association with the hottest thing in tech these days. In his interview with CNBC's David Faber, Musk did what he likes to do best and shared more of his thoughts, this time regarding his choices at OpenAI. "I fully admit to being a huge idiot here," Musk says, when asked whether he should have a larger stake in OpenAI given that he invested so much in the project. Musk said he underestimated the potential of the company's profitability, but he argued this was unforeseen. After all, the company transitioned from non-profit to for-profit in 2019, not long after Musk left, and this also gets to the root of his dilemma. "I am the reason OpenAI exists," Musk insisted, adding that he poured roughly $50 million into the group while lamenting, "Man, fate loves irony next level." "It wouldn't exist without me," he continued, telling Faber that he came up with the name and recruited key scientists and engineers such as Ilya Sutskever, OpenAI's co-founder and chief scientist. In conclusion, Elon Musk has expressed regret regarding his $50 million investment in various interviews. Musk's remorse stems from the initial challenges and setbacks faced by the venture, which failed to yield the anticipated returns. He has openly admitted that the investment did not align with his long-term goals and that he should have allocated those resources differently. These interviews shed light on Musk's candid self-reflection and his willingness to learn from past financial decisions, offering valuable insights into his investment philosophy. So, if you enjoyed this video like this, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.